Hey guys, Nash here. So recently I made a video on how to install Gcam. So Gcam is advanced Google camera designed to give you better photos and videos, and that famous portrait mode from Pixel 2. So I installed that camera on my Redmi Note 4 and today I'm going to compare photos and video quality between Gcam and Redmi Note 4 stock Miui camera. So let's get started. So guys, there is no surprise, the photos are crispier. On the other hand, the stock camera simply feels outdated. So these photos are taken in broad daylight and Google camera captures all the colors accurately. Now that's the power of HDR+. So my Redmi Note 4 has 30 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. If you're using other phone and if you have better camera, the results will be outstanding. And this is by far the best camera app I have ever used. Again, on the video side, there is no surprises guys. Gcam is outstanding. It captures all the colors and gives clear video than stock camera. And it gives that nice video camera feel that you always require in smartphones. Guys, this is 1080p video footage from both camera. Miui video camera is not that bad, but that camera can't compete with Gcam in any way. I wanted to capture slow motion video, but unfortunately slow motion is not working on Gcam. Developers are working on to fix that. As soon as it's fixed, I will make a separate video for that. And now let's go ahead and check EIS, means Electronic Image Stabilization. So Redmi Note 4 doesn't have OIS, means Optical Image Stabilization, but this Gcam comes with EIS inbuilt. And as you can clearly see on the Gcam, the video is less shakier. So from now on, any custom ROM I flash, I'm definitely going to install Gcam on that ROM. And if you haven't installed Gcam and if you want to know how to install Gcam on your phone, you can watch the video in I button, as well as I will drop the link in description box below. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you appreciate my work, don't forget to like this video. This is Nash and I will see you tomorrow.